What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you clicked on this video, then you already know what you're here for. I already know what you're here for. Today we are about to wash these braids. Okay, so I'm just gonna take y'all with me through and kind of talk through how I'm gonna be doing this process today. So I've had these braids in my hair for about a month, which if you know me and you're watching this video, then you already know, like, I need a round of applause because your girl be taking her hair out. Like, I don't know. I just be having such a hard time keeping styles in my hair for so long, because then I be missing my hair. And then, you know, when you take your braids out, you be missing your braids. When you take the braids out and when you got the braids in, you miss your regular hair. It's just like a never-ending cycle. I don't like it here, but you know, it is what it is. So we are going on 1 month now, and I'm planning on keeping these in for at least another 2 weeks because life has just been so busy lately, and these braids are just, I love it because I can just get up and go, you know, not have to worry about doing my hair. So what you're gonna need, well, what I'm gonna start off with using, I have this spray bottle. I just got it from Dollar Tree, and then I'm also going to use this ORS Olive Oil Shampoo. Removes product buildup. That's the key right there. Okay, so go ahead and give out a little close-up. So like I said, I've had these in my hair for about a month, and I have not washed my hair at all. So my hair is, the braids are starting to smell, no cap. The scalp is not scalping, okay? I know y'all see all that white stuff. So just to start off, I'm just gonna put some of my shampoo inside my water bottle. Okay, so here we are. This is how much I have in the bottle. So if you guys can see that. And now I'm gonna go fill the rest of it up with water. Okay, so I have filled it up with water. We're not all the way to the top, but you know, just about most of the way. And then just kind of gently invert it. You can shake it up, but then that's just gonna make, you know, excess bubbles. I already do kind of have a little bubbles, but I just can be kind of gently just tossing it up and down, you know, the little swirly action. And then we're just gonna go in and spray the roots, because we don't necessarily need to shampoo the braids, but they will kind of get the residual shampooing down as we're washing. So now that we have our bottle, just go in and spray at the roots. And as you can see, it is foaming up. And I'm just going to gently just rub at it. Also, you know, make sure you get the edges too. But we're just gonna do a little gentle rubbing motion. Don't need to get too vigorous unless that's what you like. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go finish my head off camera, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I'm done shampooing with my hair. So I pretty much just went through each section, each row of my hair, and applied the spray and smoothed it in with my fingers. What I'm doing now is rinsing it out with warm water. And as you guys are going to see, I'm going to do the shampoo process twice. So once I'm done rinsing, I'm going to apply more shampoo and go through this process twice, because I just want to make sure that I have gotten rid of as much buildup as I can. And then I'll discuss a little bit more about the after process later. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just going to apply a little bit of conditioner to my hair and to the roots, just because my hair has been in these braids for quite some time. And although, you know, you have natural oils in your scalp as well, I just want to apply a little bit of conditioner just to make sure everything is everything, and hopefully some of it is like getting through to my hair. I don't know, but I'm just going to have to try at least. So, and then I'm going to make sure I rinse it all the way out. So this is a moment when you're rinsing to make sure you really do a good rinse of your braids, and make sure you're not like leaving any conditioner, because you don't want to, like, you're washing your hair, so you don't want to already start doing too much buildup with like conditioner. Alright, you guys, so all done with the rinsing and the washing and the stuff. So just kind of got this t-shirt on my hair for the water that's dripping is kind of like looped down, so to catch all the drip, the water. So we're looking a little cleaner than we did before. Unfortunately, I'm afraid that because there's like some, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm sure you guys can, still some like white pieces in my hair, but I actually think that those are like pieces of follicle, like follicle of my little hairs that probably came out, you know. Of course, you know, with braids, like you're going to get shedding and those type of things, but I think that I probably had some hairs coming out already, because it's like the white bulb of the follicle of your hair. I think that I have some of those stuck inside my braids, because like when you pull on it, it's like pulling my hair. So that sucks, but you know, shedding, that's what happens when you get braids. That's what happens when you got, you know, a little bit of tension on your hair. That's what happens. The final step is to dry your roots. Okay, so you can air dry, but it's just better to just go ahead and just use like a blow dryer and go ahead and dry your roots up, because you don't want it to like stay wet throughout the day, because as you guys know, if you have braids in, you know, probably know from experience that it takes a long time for them to dry. Okay, but we're not really so much as concerned about, you know, the ends of your hair versus the roots of your hair, because up here, you know, your scalp, you got naturally, you know, there's heat radiating off of your scalp, and then you have water in that heat, and just sitting there, it's not necessarily a good mixture, because you don't want to get like mold, mildew type of smell or anything like that forming up on your scalp, especially because you have this braiding hair plus your hair, the water, the heat. It's just not really a good combination to be lasting throughout the day. So just go ahead and use your blow dryer, dry the roots, and then I'm washing my hair pretty early in the day so that I have time throughout the day for it to dry versus going to sleep with wet hair. If you're going to wash your hair, wash your braids, definitely do it in the morning, so that way you have time throughout the day for the ends of your hair to dry, because you also don't want to go to sleep with these wet and then it's like pillow wet, sheets wet, whatever is wet, because throughout the day your braids are still going to continue to, well, I just slapped myself in the face with some water. So like I was saying, your hair is going to continue to drip throughout the day, but you definitely do want to make sure that your roots and everything are dry. So I think that's it, you guys. I'm just about to, like I said, just blow dry my roots a little bit, put my scarf on, and call it a day. That's it for the wash day routine with braids, you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.